What's up my people, Fourth Prince here. Just a quick video today, just on DIY e-liquid mixing. I've been using one of these for 2 years now, a Dremel. I don't mix shake bottles anymore. It was the worst thing ever with mixing, having to shake 20-30 bottles. So I bought myself a Dremel 2 or 3 years ago. And here it is. Basically, when you get one of these, what you need to do is make sure you buy with it the chuck for the top, because it doesn't come included. And then you just make your own whisks. I shall quickly show you how to make a whisk as well. Actually, I'll show you how it mixes first, just so you know that I'm genuine. So this is a bottle, and I've got the lid off already, and the little lid at the top. And it's a 30ml bottle, and you just stick it in there. And mix away. It's got 10 speeds, it goes up to that speed, but yeah, I only use it on the lower speeds really. So, and there you go. And then after, when I've mixed my bottle, I just give it a wipe basically straight over, and then it's ready to mix a new bottle. Like I said, I've been using this for 2 years and it's the best thing ever. I tried milk frothers in shot glasses, because obviously a milk frother ain't going to fit into the top of your bottle, but it's always good if you mix into a bottle. I mix a lot of 10ml bottles as well, so if I show you with this one as well quick how good it is. So this is a little 10ml bottle, actually 9ml in there because you can't fit 10 in there. And you see in there, Insta-mixed. Don't worry about vortexes and all these other things that people use. Hot plate stirrers, that's up to you, but I wouldn't bother with it. It's not going to mix it as good as one of these. I just go with the Dremel every time. So what I'm going to quickly show you as well is how to make a whisk. So here's some of the whisks I've made. I've been messing around with them over the years. There's a tiny one. All of these are pretty good. I just actually use that one at the moment. I made one here as well, which is like doubles. So you got double things. And you get the idea. All it is basically is 24 gauge camphor. You can get lower gauges of camphor, but that's all I've had. And basically all you do is you cut yourself off a strip of camphor as long as you want, and fold it in half like so. And then basically with a pencil and maybe some pliers at the other end, you just twist it round until you get something that looks kind of like that. I was going to use I want to get some pieces of metal basically, because the problem I do have with this is if you pull this out of the bottle, because it's so flimsy, so when you are mixing and you pull this out the top of the bottle when you're mixing, make sure you can mix there so it's not in the juice and it cleans off the thing a bit, but don't mix without it in the bottle, because you will, yeah, and you don't want to get whipped by that. I've never been whipped by it, but just don't mix outside the bottle. So when it comes out of the bottle, just give it a wipe and you're good to go then. Because they do bend, and if you got whipped by that, it probably hurt a lot. So yeah, but all you need to do is straighten it up as well, and they last for ages. Give them a clean when you're mixing, and yeah, that's about it. Oh, I was going to try and get some metal tubes. This is just a straw, but if I got to get some metal tubes which I can actually thread along, let's use this one because it's straighter, thread along the edge of this, so then basically you've got a metal tube, so it's not going to do that, but when it's in the bottle it's not going to fly out anywhere anyway. It kind of stays solid in there. So yeah, yeah, and that's it really. Like I say, this is a Dremel 3000. You can get cordless ones, they're a bit more expensive. I bought this one for £25. It was on Amazon Prime deal years ago, so I've got that then. I think they're about 38-40 quid at the moment. All these little bits that come with it, you don't need that. I don't use this for anything else but mixing. I'm not going to be doing any woodwork with it, working with glass or any engraving or whatever with this. I don't want bits of metal and stuff and contaminants in my e-juice, so I just used this for mixing. It was well worth the money as well, because I don't shake bottles anymore. Quickly as well, I'll just quickly show you my mixing station. Don't know why, but why not? Yeah, this is, I bought this off a friend for 40 quid years ago. I don't know where I'd get it from, but it's on wheels as well, so when I finish mixing I can wheel it out and wheel it back into the hallway. Everything's kept in the dark. I've got all my room in there for stuff in there, all my mixing things, and yeah, everything's nice and out of the way. And I also keep all my mixing stuff in one of these. So I got these from Poundland a few years ago. I don't know if you can still get them, but I bought like 10 of them, so I've got loads. I just keep all my flavourings in there. It's a bit hard to find the odd ones, but because I've been mixing for so long, you soon know what you soon know where certain flavours are. There's always one that gets away, but if you get one of these, you could label the top, put labels like Capella, TPA, or creams, fruits, whatever you want, just so you know where they are. Or you can label the top of your bottles with numbers and then have a number thing going, so you can just find it straight away by the number. And yeah, they've been pretty good. So yeah, like I say, that's about it as well. That's the only mixing video I'm ever going to do, so enjoy it. Here's my DIY Die t-shirts as well. Much respect to Wayne at DIY Die. Thank you. Taught me how to mix. Link in the description to the channel. I know all the guys watching this are probably going to know about that anyway. But yeah, look at my t-shirts. Yeah, please don't sue me, Wayne. I'm a walking advertisement for you. So yeah, and there's the channel as well. Link in the description to that. But yeah, thank you very much. And yo, bye.